Are you tired of dirt and grime ruining your vehicles? Meet TurboPower, the biodegradable traffic film remover that transforms your cleaning routine. This powerful cleaner breaks down insects, tree sap, bird lime, road film and salt in minutes. TurboPower TFR can be applied through pump sprayers or pressure washer chemical injection systems. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to spotless surfaces. TurboPower. TFR makes light work of dirty tires, alloy wheels, and thoroughly cleans inside the arches. TurboPower is fast-acting, requiring less mechanical action for better efficiency. TurboPower offers a cost-effective way to keep your entire fleet looking its best. It's suitable for all vehicles from cars and vans to buses and trucks, and leaves no streaks behind. Its exceptional underside cleaning capabilities remove stubborn buildup from hard-to-reach areas. Regular cleaning prevents long-term corrosion, extending the lifespan of your vehicles and reducing maintenance costs. TurboPower is solvent-free and readily biodegradable. Want to keep your vehicles spotless whilst being environmentally responsible? Contact Oil Technics today by emailing info@oiltechnics.com or telephone 01561 361515 to learn more and experience the difference.